Hello children, today we are learning ABCD alphabets and colors name. Let's start. Sky blue color, orange color, green color, dark blue color, pink color, red color, brown color, black color, light brown color, yellow color, and green color. A for ant. A for ant. B for basket. B for basket. C for cherry. C for cherry. D for drum. D for drum. E for eagle. E for eagle. F for fruits. F for fruits. G for grass. G for grass. Very good. H for horse. H for horse. Dear children and parents, watch the full video and subscribe my channel. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. K for kite. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. Very good. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for princess. P for princess. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for snake. S for snake. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Excellent. V for van. V for van. W for window. W for window. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zoo.